Cars have kind of run in my family for a while. A lot of my family worked for General Motors and Ford, so it's always kind of been in our blood. I've just always appreciated cars, always something of interest. It was nice just to have conversations about it with family every once in a while. My name is Jordan Muscarella. I'm the marketing manager of the Collector Car Network. I drive a 1992 C4 Corvette. So I've been into cars for as early as I can remember. My grandfather was a car collector. Some of the funnest times of my life were going to Ohio and just hanging out with my grandparents and my family. He had a collection there, and we'd always, just hang out, go in the garage, check things out, see what his new cars are, go on rides. We'd do some putt-putt golf, go to Dairy Queen, some car shows, and even go to the local raceway. C4 Corvette reminded me of my grandpa. That was his daily driver Corvette. So he would, go on errands, pick up groceries in that car. That was also the first car that I ever drove. So it was quite impactful, and just loved every moment of it. When I first got my car, it was actually in fairly good condition. I bought it off of a buddy of mine, and he had some work done recently. Several different things through it, but it was actually in pretty drivable condition, which was nice. So not much needed to be done on my end to start enjoying it right away. So this car was actually pretty stock. That's really why I liked it too. I know you see a lot of different, things you can buy online, chrome and all that stuff. But when I first saw this car, it was pretty stock and original. The exhaust has been upgraded to MagnaFlow exhaust, so you get some nice sounds through that. Everything else though, pretty stock. Interior, no modifications. Honestly, I just try to keep the thing clean, so inside and out. Best thing I've done to that car, I needed to replace the OptiSpark distributor to make sure it was running smooth. So that was something I did shortly after I got the car. But I haven't had it super long, so it's just been enjoying it, driving it around. I think for the most part, he did keep things stock as well, now that I think about it. So, he had nice high quality cars, and just kept them in pristine condition, in the garage, took them out when weather was nice and showed them some love. So I was not working in the automotive industry before working here. So I was doing same field though as far as marketing goes, marketing and promotion. It was really this car that got me into the automotive industry and kind of make it a career. So what I like most about working at the Collector Car Network are the people I work around. Everybody is extremely talented in what they do. I think it's also great just working on cars. I mean, every conversation in the office is based around cars, which is super fun. So a benefit of working here that most people might not know about, it would be I would say firsthand on the trends in the industry. And then also some of the events. We get to go to a lot of different car shows and events like Barrett-Jackson and some other local events also. And that's really been great to just talk to everybody that comes through there and just become, familiar about what, some of the enthusiasts are looking at and are interested in these days. Yeah, I think my grandpa would be extremely proud looking down on seeing what I've gotten into. Corvettes were kind of his thing. Like, that was one thing I noticed when I was younger, was he always had Corvettes. It was always a different one. He'd be switching those out all the time. So I kind of thought to myself when I was a bit younger, I was like, man, like what's it with Corvettes? Like I just didn't get it. I thought there's so many cool cars out there, like some of the more like exotic, foreign cars or something like that. But it wasn't until I got my car here, sat down in that, and started driving around that it was just like, I understand now exactly why that was his thing. So yeah, I think he would be super proud, especially working here at Collector Car Network. I think he would really like seeing that.